to hear my sermon, which could determine your final destination in eternity. I'd like also to thank Brother James for inviting and scheduling me to preach this morning. Of course, I'm especially appreciative to Brother Riley for reading the Bible verses, to Brother Clay for that special reading on that poem "The Dust," which inspired me to share the sermon this morning. Of course, to Brother Wallace, who is the singer. The poem that was read by Brother Clay was taken from that book, "The Dust," Making a Difference with Your Life. This was given as my gift from our beloved sister Juanita Robertson, retired professor, the City College of San Francisco. If you are interested to get a copy of this book, know more about Linda Ellis, the author of the poem, you can visit www.lindaellis.net. Let me read again the poem thus. I read of a man who is taught to speak at the funeral of a friend. He referred to the dates of her tombstone from the beginning to the end. He noted that first came the date of her birth, and he spoke of the following date with tears. But he said what mattered most of all was the dust between those years. For the dust represents all the time that she spent alive on earth.